Did you know that a robot vacuum can completely change the way you live your day-to-day life? I know, it sounds like an exaggeration, but stay with me, because in the next few minutes I am going to show you why the Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X robot vacuum isn't just another gadget. It's a game changer for your home, your time, and even your peace of mind. And by the way, I've linked the full article in the description and in the pinned comment if you want to dive deeper. So, here's the deal. This smart robot vacuum doesn't just sweep like most others. It combines powerful suction with high-end automatic mopping, solving the #1 cleaning struggle we all face, keeping the house spotless without sacrificing hours of our day. When mine arrived, I was impressed right away. Delivery was fast, it came perfectly packaged, and setting it up was so simple. In less than an hour, it was connected to the app and ready to go. And honestly, I know a lot of people worry that these devices are tricky to set up, but with the Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X, it couldn't be easier. Now, let's talk about performance. Because sure, a lot of brands promise powerful suction, but when it comes to rugs and carpets, most just don't deliver. This one does. I have rugs at home, and the way it pulled up dirt from deep inside the fibers was honestly surprising. And here's the best part. It does it super quietly. I can run it at night without disturbing anyone, which is such a relief compared to older models, or even some of the competitors out there. But what really blew me away was the smart mopping system. This isn't just a damp cloth dragging across your floor. It uses rotating mop pads that are washed with hot water and then dried automatically at the base. The result? Perfectly clean floors, fresh mop pads every time, and zero bad smells. I'll be honest, I thought it would just be a nice extra feature. But now, I couldn't imagine going back. Walking into a home that feels freshly mopped without lifting a finger. It's amazing. And let's not forget the design. It's beautiful, sleek, and more compact than a lot of other premium robot vacuums. That means it takes up less space and looks stylish in any corner of the house. Even little details, like the smaller ramp on the base, make it easier to place without it getting in the way. Plus, both the clean and dirty water tanks are hidden, which keeps the whole setup looking really minimal and modern. Another highlight for me is the Roborock Home app. It's fast, intuitive, and gives you complete control. You can map your entire home, split rooms, set schedules, or send it to clean just one specific area. I upgraded from a Roborock model I bought back in 2018, and the leap in technology is huge. Now it recognizes rooms, tells carpets apart from hard floors, and optimizes its routes for maximum efficiency. And let's be real, the price matters. I got mine during Prime Day for $749, and honestly, for what it does, there's no rival. Think about the time you save, the convenience, the level of cleanliness. It pays for itself. And it even comes with extra dust bags and mop pads, which is a nice bonus. Some people might ask, but what about the navigation camera? Well, this model doesn't have one. For me, that wasn't an issue because I don't have pets. And honestly, its sensors are so precise that it avoids obstacles and builds a flawless map of my home without needing a camera at all. So here is my takeaway. The Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X robot vacuum is more than just a vacuum. It's a real solution to everyday cleaning problems. It saves time, improves hygiene, works quietly, gives you powerful suction, mops better than most humans would, and looks elegant while doing it. If you're looking for the best robot vacuum of 2025, with premium features that actually make a difference, this is absolutely the one I'd recommend. And remember, if you'd like to see the full article with all the details and comparisons, the link is right there in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it, because once you try this, trust me, there's no going back.